Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. This is his full name, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He was born on 24th April 1973. First test match which he played was on 15th November 1989, and this match was against Pakistan. His first ODI means One Day International. He played that One Day International on 18th December 1989, which was against Pakistan. Now here is a record of his centuries, half centuries and total runs of ODI. Dear children, century means 100 runs. At a stretch, he made 100 runs 49 times. Out of total one day international matches, how many he played? Okay, amongst that 49 times he has done centuries. Half centuries means 50 runs. 96 times he made half centuries. And if total runs we calculate, it goes up to 18,426. If you see the date of birth and first test match, you can see that at the early age, that is 16 years, when he was of 16 years, he started with his career. And he played first test match. Then here is a record of his test centuries, means in test matches, how many centuries did he beat? 51 times he made centuries. And his total runs of test matches are 15,921. Means it is almost now going to, if he played few more matches, or he would have scored a few more runs, then he would have crossed 16,000 also. Now the last test match which he played was on 14th November 2013, that was against West Indies. And last one day international he played on 18th March 2012, which was against Pakistan. So if you calculate total 24 years of his career, and when he retired, he took retirement, he was of age 40 years. 16 to 40. 24 years of career. He earned a lot of name and fame. He is an inspirational personality to us. There are few more interesting information about him. Let's move to second slide to see that. Sachin Tendulkar is the young recipient of Bharat Ratna. There are many awards honored to him. They are Arjun Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri Award, Maharashtra Bhushan Award, Padma Vibhushan Award. These are the awards which are honored to him. There are few world records registered against his name. They are that he is the first player who scored double century in one day international match organized for the men's. He is the one who has played highest number of test and ODI matches. He is the only cricketer who scored 100 centuries in international cricket. He is only the player to score 50 centuries in test cricket. He is first batsman who scored 15,000 runs in test matches. So the world record for having the highest number of world record goes to him. His career, his work, his life is completely inspiring. We must take or we must learn good things from him. There are various things that we can learn. You can imagine how dedicatedly or how hard work he would have done to achieve so many things. Really, I salute Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. My favorite cricketer. Touching farewell speech. Sachin thanked all the people who had helped him in his life. His parents, family members, relatives, friends, his coach, doctors, trainers, managers, media, and all the people who had supported him. He did not forget a single person. He thanked everyone. We are proud of you, Sachin. He remembered everyone. Professor Ramesh Tendulkar, Sachin's father, he died when the 1999 World Cup matches were going on. Sachin returned to India just for a little while and returned immediately. He scored a century, unbeaten, 140 runs off 101 balls. In the next match against Kenya, he dedicated this century to his father. Dear children, to do this work, it needs lot of courage. His father died in 1999, and at that time, World Cup matches were going on. To see of his dead father, he just returned for a while and he went back immediately. Not only he went back, but he scored century. 101 balls में he scored 140 runs, and he dedicated this century to his father. But this needs lot of courage. This shows his love for nation. So much he is dedicated to his work, and so much he is patriotic. He loves his nation. He is also a warrior. He is also a soldier. So, I again salute him. I respect him. Next, what Sachin said about his Sir Ramakant Achrekar in his farewell speech. On a lighter note, in the last 29 years, Sir has never ever said, "Well played" to me because I thought I would get complacent and I would stop working hard. Maybe he can push his luck and wish me now, "Well done" on my career because there are no more matches, sir, in my life. I will be witnessing cricket and cricket will always stay in my heart. But you have had an immense contribution in my life. So thank you very much. Sachin Sir did not appreciate him any time in his career time whenever he was giving him coaching, because maybe he thought that he will complacent means pleased with oneself or making no efforts to improve. Maybe Sachin will think, yes, now I am fulfilled. My sir said, okay, good for me. Okay, this happens with us also. We can take our own example. If teacher says, very good, we think, I have fulfilled everything now. Now there is no need to try. Yes, at times we feel that. So, he should not feel like that. That's the reason his sir never said well played. He tried to pick out the nooks which were not there, but still he is sir. he can point out his mistakes very well. So, Sir was inspiring every time, and that's the reason Sachin Tendulkar is saying that in my heart you will always be there, cricket will always be there, and you also will be there. And he thanked him for his guidance. So with this we learned that he was thankful and he remembered, he understood that who has worked for him throughout his career. He did not forget anyone. So my dear children, you also should remember that behind your success, who has played important role, and you should be thankful to them every time. With this, we complete this lesson here only. PDF of answers will be sent to you.